The recommendation to change the architecture of the executive does not offer the solution to our problems. If the intention is to create checks and balances so as to enhance good governance and democracy, nothing could be further from the truth than this. In practical terms, what these proposed amendments are likely to achieve is a more buttressed imperial presidency, a lame duck prime minister, whose real rank and clout is even lower than that of a cabinet minister. Is that the homegrown solution as described by BBI? This prime minister is even weaker than the prime minister under the Grand Coalition arrangement. The one being envisaged in this document. Yani ni mbaya hata kushinda ile serikali ya nusu mkate. The creation of ministers of state from within parliamentarians adds to the confusion and wastage. What will be the relationship between a minister of state and a prime minister? Is this not duplicity of roles and a sheer wastage of scarce resources? How honest is it to propose that the prime minister will rank above an MP and ministers of state, but will draw equal salary? Yani, hii tumechezewa ya ajabu. Prime minister anaambiwa wewe ni prime minister, lakini mshahara yako ni mjumbe. Endelea. What is the secret motivation? Maybe untold allowances will be under the table. We don't know. Let alone before we even agree on the contents, but the issue of implementation. It is so obvious that there are those issues that may require simple parliamentary processes, and there are others that may call for a referendum. But the way the debate is going out there, again, we are making the same mistake, polarizing the society. Instead of building harmony, instead of trying to draw consensus, we are already beginning to say either you are pro a referendum or you are anti a referendum.